Good morning, 6:52 a.m., day 3, 30 miles a day. Let's get it going. I'm going to try to do as much of this 30 miles this morning as I can so I don't find myself in a situation like yesterday, trying to fit it in and trying to fit it in the rain, because we're getting in to the rainy season here in Florida, and the afternoons mean rain, so get the work done in the morning for sure. All right, 30 miles a day continues. Morning. We're doing it. Woo! I got my red little backpack on. I got to stop for Cuban rolls at Walmart at the tail end of the ride. So, man, my family loves them for lunches, and we're out. We're always out, and they're always out. So we're gonna do a little shopping. Alright, mile 21. Time to see if we can get some Cuban rolls. Cuban. I ran out of time, folks, but at 1 hour, 44 minutes, 24.1 miles, day 3, ride 1. Complete with bread. Walmart Cubans. Okay, day 3, ride 2. And for this ride, even though it's only gonna be a short one, because I did 24 this morning, I gotta do 6 this afternoon. We have a mission. And here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. This is my son's e-bike. It's got a bolt here holding the headlight on. It's got a missing bolt here. We need to go to Ace Hardware and we need to fix that. All right, we have the bolt. We're going now. Let's see if we can figure this out. This one? M8 1.225 279. This is gonna work out. I didn't want to say too much in there, but man, 2 at 279. I brought 50 cents. I had to whip out my debit card. Back on the road, headed home. I've got 3.8 miles, so gonna get a little bit of a surplus today. Okay, day 3, ride 2, all finished up. 6.58 miles. Took me 41 minutes to do the Ace Hardware run, and looking like for the day about 30.7 miles, so a little bit of a buffer. All right, I will see you in the morning for day 4.